What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a quick comparison of Realme 6 and Realme 6 Pro smartphone, that what are the differences between these two devices and which one you should buy depending on your requirement. So let's just start it. So Realme 6 comes with 6.5-inch screen and Realme 6 Pro comes with 6.6-inch screen. The resolution is exactly same, but due to the bigger punch hole on the screen of Realme 6 Pro, its screen to body ratio is a bit low compared to Realme 6, and that's why the PPI is slightly better on Realme 6. The screen of Realme 6 is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and the screen of Realme 6 Pro is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. While the back of Realme 6 is made of plastic, but on Realme 6 Pro we got the glass back panel, and this is the reason as well that the Realme 6 Pro is slightly heavier compared to Realme 6. The Realme 6 Pro weighs 202 grams and the Realme 6 weighs 191 grams. Also, Realme 6 Pro is slightly bigger compared to Realme 6. Talking about the performance, Realme 6 comes with Helio G90T processor and Realme 6 Pro comes with Snapdragon 720G. Even though it sounds that Snapdragon is a better brand and better processor, we found in our benchmarking test comparison of these two devices that Helio G90T processor used on Realme 6 is actually slightly better compared to Realme 6 Pro when it comes to performance. You can watch our benchmarking test comparison video of these two smartphones by visiting the link given in the description or by clicking the link appearing on the screen to see by yourself that how much difference you are going to get in terms of benchmarking performance. In terms of software-based features, both smartphones are exactly same, and also when it comes to amount of RAM and storage, both of them are same as well. Talking about the battery life, once again both of them come with same amount of battery with the same charging speed. So once again there is no difference when it comes to battery capacity or the charging speed, but the Snapdragon 720G processor on Realme 6 Pro comes with 8nm architecture that is better in terms of power consumption compared to 12nm architecture of Helio G90T. So you will get slightly better performance on Realme 6 Pro even though the battery capacity is exactly same on both devices. Talking about the design, both of them are quite similar from the front side, but the difference comes on the back and the sides. While the sides of Realme 6 Pro got glossy finish, Realme 6 comes with matte finish. And the biggest difference is on the back panel. Realme 6 comes with the Comet designed back panel, while Realme 6 Pro comes with the Lightning design. So it's actually the user preference which design you like. For me, the lightning effect is a bit more unique and beautiful compared to the Comet design of Realme 6, but once again it's personal preference that which one you like more. Now talking about the camera performance, both of them got 64 megapixel primary rear camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. The difference is in terms of the fourth lens. While Realme 6 got 2 megapixel black and white depth sensor, Realme 6 Pro got 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. And when it comes to front camera, both of them got exact 16 megapixel primary camera, but Realme 6 Pro got an additional 8 megapixel wide angle lens as well that is very useful for taking selfies. So in terms of camera performance and features, Realme 6 Pro is a bit better compared to Realme 6 because it comes with 2x optical zoom on the rear camera and a wide angle lens for front facing camera. And talking about the price, Realme 6 Pro is nearly 30% more expensive compared to Realme 6, and this is also a very important factor and difference between these two devices as well. Depending on all of these differences and features, pros and cons of each of these smartphones, you can decide by yourself that which device is going to be serve you better and give you more value for your money. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.